Okay, YouTubers, this is Gil. So, to make a review of this camcorder that you could buy at the 99-cent store. Yeah, you heard me right. The 99-cent store. Yeah. Then this is how much it was. $5.99. And this camcorder is something that I didn't even have to work a half an hour for to get. So, to get it out. So as you can see, this is how it looks. This is how the packaging looks, and this is what it's advertised for. It's 720p, and this is the initial look of it. It looks pretty cheap, all right, but for $5.99, you know, $5.99, you know. But something like this probably would have been $599 back in 1985. And this is the little owner's manual that it came with, you know. Yeah. So this is cute. So, I mean, yeah, it's pretty basic. So anyways, and so I made a video with this already. And in the video, I'm going to talk about what I thought about it using this camcorder. So this is to turn it on. This is how it looks at when we turn it on. But overall, I think it's actually a pretty nice camera for the price. You know, for $5, you know, it's not bad for $5, you know. But overall, in all, I'd say it's a shitty camera. But I mean, for the price, it's good though. I mean, you can't beat that for $5. So here comes the demo video.
We also have people here.
Telling you. So I'm trying out this new camcorder that I got at the 99-cent store. For this one was $5.99. It's an on brand. It's one of these. I got it at the 99-cent store for $5.99. Now I'm gonna try it out and compare, I would say. So far, some of the flaws is that it doesn't have a rechargeable battery, and we have to use our own. AAA's, and that costs extra to do that. And as I can see it, the low light is mediocre. It's just like my RCA CPR 250. So, but you know, the angle of view sucks on this. You can't really fit much on the camera, and you're like, when I'm recording, I can't really fit much on the screen here, you know. So that's the sucky part right there about this camera. You could barely fit anything on the screen, but so far this is what it looks like. Well, it probably is almost like my, well, maybe the RCA CPR 250 is actually better than this camcorder for the wide angle view, or the viewing angle. Today is March 7th, 2020. And the next door neighbor is building a shed. And I feel like I may want to build another shed, but I'm gonna see. They're building a shed. That's a cool idea, you know. And of course this one doesn't have a date display. So today I cleaned the yards. And of course this camera doesn't have stabilization, of course. So today on my Kia, I've done a number of things on the car today. I had to replace the front brakes, and I got them for free because they were like an AutoZone. They have a warranty, lifetime warranty. And when the brakes wear out, we can return them, the worn out pads, and get a set of new ones for free. For life, you know. I mean, I still wonder how they're able to afford it, you know. How they're able to afford to do that. So this camera, me zooming in on it, it's all digital, everything. The zoom, I don't even know. I think it looks like it has only 2x. It's a shitty camera, but I mean, hey, for $6, you know? I mean, like, you don't even have to work a half an hour to get this, to get a whole camera. Not like the CPR 250 where I had to work 7 months to get that camcorder. For this one here, I only worked like not even a half an hour to get this one. That's funny, huh? So, this is pretty basic. The operation is pretty basic. It only takes video. It doesn't take pictures. It's just a simple record and off button, you know. So, it's doing some laundry. So, at the 99-cent store. Okay, I'm gonna make more videos. Now, of course, this one is not gonna compare. It's not gonna compare with the ones that we bought. Of course, these don't compare with the ones that we buy, like the Sony one, like the. Well, that one broke, by the way. The Sony CX405 that I had, that one broke. Yeah, because it got exposed to the rain and it ruined it. And then, well, it just doesn't want to turn on. I'm not sure why. But anyway, I'm going to go to my room. So I have to clean up this room and put things away. Okay. So this is this is a demo of a $5.99. It's a demo of a $5.99 camera or a camcorder. Look at the clouds. I would have to say the date. It's what do you call it? It's May 30th, 1986. No, it's actually 2019. May 30th, 2019. So, this is me with that camcorder. See that? It's supposed to be this camera only has 2x zoom. I don't know how many. Yeah, it only has 2x. Supposed to be. Supposed to be this one only has 2x. Yeah. Look at the clouds, it's cool. The clouds are pretty cool. Yeah, you know, I'd probably think it's not bad for a $5.99 camcorder. Yeah. Yeah, the only main complaint that I have about this camcorder is the field of view. The field of view, like we cannot fit much on the screen on this, you know, because especially if I'm really close, if I'm like in a room or something, in a small room or something, I would barely be able to fit like maybe a half of the bed on the view, or probably barely fit the pillow in the view or something, you know. Yeah. No, I'm gonna go ahead and I can't fit much, and not only that, the only other thing that's bad about this is that it doesn't have a rechargeable battery, so you have to buy AAA batteries, and it appears to me that this thing's eating a lot of batteries, so it's better to get some rechargeable AAA batteries, but you're gonna pay extra for those. So these $5.99 cameras really aren't, I probably would think it's not worth it. Because you would end up spending more money on batteries, for an example, than to just go buy a camcorder for $50 that would already have a rechargeable battery.